In this video, I'll be showing you how to claim a new free $15 no deposit bonus that you can use to trade Forex. You can use it to trade stocks, crypto, or synthetics. You can use it to trade metals or oils. The most amazing part of all this is that there are no lot requirements in order for you to withdraw profits made on this account. So all you have to do in order to withdraw is to complete the trading challenge set by the company, and then you can be able to withdraw some part of profit made on this account. I'm going to show you how to get the full terms and conditions of this no deposit bonus account in some part of this video, so that you can go through it and read to understand what is required from you while trading on this no deposit bonus account. Alright, I've been able to claim this free Forex capital, and in this video I'm going to be showing you the full steps and the full guide to be able to claim yours without any complications along the way. So all you have to do is pay attention and then follow me step by step as I show you how to get this $15 no deposit bonus for completely free. This bonus is available in every part of the world, so no matter the country you reside in, you can be able to claim this bonus capital and prove your trading skills and then get rewarded for passing the challenge. The only downside to this is that you have to verify your KYC documents before you are eligible to claim this bonus capital. And as we all know, KYC verification do take some time before you are approved and then credited with this no deposit bonus. So I'm going to show you the full steps to successfully verify your KYC documents and then get funded with this no deposit bonus account. Without wasting any much time, if you are new to this YouTube channel or you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to smash that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon, so that whenever I upload legit bonuses like this one, you'll be the first to get notified and then be able to get yours before it expires. Make sure to also smash the like button so that this video can get to more audience, including your friends and family, and for me to keep on bringing legit bonuses and instant profit accounts like this one I'm going to be sharing with you in today's video. With all that said, guys, let's get started with the video. Alright, the link on my Telegram channel will take you to this registration form right here. And if you don't have an account yet with this broker, all you have to do is type in your email address, your first name and your last name in these fields. Then you click on the register button that is below this form. An email verification link will be sent to your email account after registration. Alright, so all you have to do is head over to your Gmail account and then click the link, the verification link that is sent there, and verify that the email address belongs to you. But if you already have an account with this broker, all you have to do is head over to the login form and then type in your email address and password. Then you click on the login button. So once the authentication process has been completed successfully, you will be redirected to your client dashboard. This is exactly how your client dashboard would look like if this is the first time you are signing into your account. Immediately after signing into your account, you should see 3 banners at the top of your client dashboard. One of them says claim your new bonus $150. We are actually receiving $15 no deposit bonus instead of this $150 bonus displayed right here. Alright, all you have to do now is click on the banner at the center and wait for a few seconds for it to take you to this next page that contains full details about this no deposit bonus. Alright, now before you are eligible to receive this free Forex capital, there's one important step you have to complete before you are credited with this $15 no deposit bonus. So that important step is to complete KYC verification. After completing KYC verification, all you have to do is follow these 3 simple steps. Number 1, you click on start bonus. Number 2, you trade every day on your bonus account. And number 3, you earn real money that you can be able to withdraw. Now this money is in profit, not the bonus itself. But before you are eligible to withdraw any profit made on this account, you have to pass the challenge set by the company. So what is this challenge that needs to be completed? You have to trade 4 instruments within 7 days, and each instrument can be traded within 2 days or in a day. Alright, for example, you can trade Forex from Monday to Tuesday, and then you can trade stocks from Wednesday to Thursdays. Then you can trade metals on Friday and crypto or synthetics on Saturday to Sundays. Alright, when you keep scrolling down on this page, you should see more information about this bonus account. For instance, they said Complete extra tasks and unlock an additional bonus of $45. Now there's a section that you can complete these tasks and earn some points, which I'm going to be talking about next time. But for now, let me show you how to verify your account so that you can claim this no deposit bonus successfully. First of all, scroll back to the top and pay attention at this corner of this page. You should see this text, you need to verify your account. So click on that text, verify your account, and after a few seconds, you'll be taken to this KYC verification form. Now you need to fill in your name, your date of birth, your country of residence, your address information, and your ID card number on these fields. Once that is done, you scroll up to this section where you need to upload the front and back side of your identity card by selecting the right field. Alright, then you scroll to the bottom and click on submit request. So after a few hours of submitting your KYC verification request, you should be sent an email notification that your KYC has been approved. It could take up to a day. It just depends on the number of people requesting for KYC verification. Alright, so once you are verified, if you log into your dashboard and you head over to this profile or this menu interface, you should see a green check mark right beside your name. Alright, so once you are verified, you can proceed with claiming this $15 no deposit bonus. Once again, click on the banner at the center of this page to take you to the next step of claiming this $15 no deposit bonus. If you pay attention at the bottom of this page, you can see that the start bonus button is now clickable. This is because KYC verification has been completed. So click on that button that says start bonus and you should get a pop-up notification like this one right here. This banner will contain some information about this no deposit bonus account, including the instrument you have to trade today. Alright, all you have to do is read to understand what this banner is saying. Then if you agree to everything, click on start to trade. So once you click on start to trade, it's going to take you right here to this page. Now you should see a notification at the top that says preparing your account. If you scroll down a little on this page, you should see more information about this account, like today's trading instruments, a countdown timer of when the next challenge will start, and then your balance. Alright, for now we have submitted the request for day 1 to be activated. If you click on day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6, and day 7, you can see that they are all locked. So after successfully completing day 1, then day 2 will be activated automatically for you. So after completing this step, you have to wait for a few minutes or even up to an hour for this broker to activate your MetaTrader 5 trading dashboard. So once it is successfully activated, just refresh this page. Alright, refresh this page and you should see your login credentials on this page. Once that is done, the next step is to head over to your MetaTrader 5 trading platform and then log in those trading credentials that you saw on the previous page. Make sure to check this box to save your password on the app for more easier login next time. Then you click on the login button. So after authentication is successful, you should see your $15 no deposit bonus on this page. And you can start trading with this no deposit bonus for completely free without any deposits required. Alright, you can refer back to this page if you need more information about this no deposit bonus account or any of the terms and conditions of this no deposit bonus account. So after trading and completing the challenge, you'll be able to withdraw for completely free without any deposits required.